Hello, this is Andrew Dillon. This Excel spreadsheet is called Sales Performance Commission. Now, the sales performance has their broker's details, it has their first and surnames, their region, their sales, their target, their date of birth. But what is missing is their commission and their age of their next birthday. Now, I have to do those in the sheet, which is going to be short, it won't take long, and then I'll have to create a chart afterwards. Right, the commission rates in this table has a border around it. This will help me get me an exact correct answer for the commission table. So the commission starts off with an if statement. So equals if E3 more than F3, comma, $sign L, $3, multiply E3, comma, $sign L, $4, multiply E3, and that's the answer for the commission. So add these and get the rest of the answers for the rest of the person's detail. That's commission sorted. Knowing how to get the person's next age for their birthday. This requires a special function statement called dated if. The dated if is rarely used, but it's specially used for the person's age or date of birthdays. How to start off is just equals dated if bracket G3 comma today with two brackets together, and then bracket Y. Y in my opinion stands for year. And then once you have the all inputs, just press bracket, and that's the answer. So that's the answer for the person's next age. Now I want to create a chart that is related to the person's date of birth and commission. So I'll just highlight them and go to insert, and I'm going to do a pie chart. Yeah, the date of birth is already on the chart, but not the commission. In order for the commission to appear on the chart, so I go to data labels, go to best fit, and there you go. And then I want to have a chart name, so go to chart title above chart. I'm going to call it person's commission chart. And date of birth, because it has the date of birth on the legends. Okay. So that's basically the end of the spreadsheet. It was easy enough. The data diffs were very challenging. I never knew there was a data diff. I learned to do that in level 6 in Pierce College. I did spreadsheets. I learned to do the if and and statement and this function as well. It was difficult to do. I got help and I managed to do this on my own and finally got the answer. Very challenging and very good to learn. So that's the end of the Excel spreadsheet, and I hope you all enjoyed this very well. I will make one more Excel spreadsheet, because that will be the very last video of my entire video recording career. I'm looking forward to be doing that. It will be a special occasion video, so I hope you all enjoy this very well, and I hope to see you all soon. It has been a great time for me to show you all my achievements and my accomplishments and my not just Excel, but I've also been doing PowerPoint. I've been showing you Access and also been doing payroll thesaurus. It's been very challenging doing all the work these past few months, and I've enjoyed it very well. And it's been very, very good. Great experience. It gives me a lot of confidence and great communication and presentation skills. So I'm gonna go and leave for this video for now. So I hope you all enjoy this very well. Good luck to all of you in your future endeavors and see you all soon. Thank you for watching. Adios.